In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule events using a Google Meet link in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a calendar event and attach a Google Meet video conferencing link so you can share it with your participants. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. You should see your calendar view, which might be in day, week, or month format, depending on your preference. It doesn't matter which view you're using, the process will be the same. To start creating an event, click on the Create button, usually found at the top left of the screen. This opens a new event window or panel where you can enter all the details, like the event title, date, honor, and time. Take a moment to type in a clear title so attendees immediately understand what the meeting is about. You can also adjust the date and time here, and if needed, set it as a recurring event using the repeat options. Once your basic event information is in place, look for the option labeled Event or the Main Event Detail section. This is where you customize everything about your meeting. You can add a description to include an agenda, notes or important links, and you can invite guests by entering their email addresses in the guest field. As you add guests, they'll automatically receive an invitation once you save the event. Now, to add a Google Meet link, find the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. It's usually right under the event title or time fields. Click on this option. As soon as you do, Google Calendar will generate a unique Google Meet link for your event. You'll see a Meet link appear along with a button to join and sometimes additional dial-in information depending on your settings. At this point, your event has a built-in video conferencing option. Anyone you've invited will see the Google Meet link directly in their calendar invite and in the email invitation they receive. When it's time for the event, they can simply click that link to join the meeting. Before you finish, quickly review your event details: title, date, time, guests, and the Google Meet link. When everything looks correct, click Save. If you've added guests, you may be asked to send invitations.